Meaning of fastidious.
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 Fastidious. Fastidious refers to a person who is very attentive to detail and extremely particular about cleanliness or neatness. It can also describe someone who is hard to please or has high standards. Someone who is fastidious may spend a lot of time on tasks that others might find insignificant, and they may also be very critical of themselves and others. Ultimately, being fastidious can result in a high level of precision and quality in work or surroundings, but it can also lead to perfectionism and a tendency to obsess over details.